with our heart breathing technique, we will replace what is going on in that crazy head of ours with a more positive feeling that will open up and allow us the freedom we are seeking. There are 4 steps. 1, recognize what's going on in your head and what you want to change and find a replacement attitude. 2 is to breathe into our hearts. We will focus all of our attention on our entire heart area. Imagine that the breath is flowing out of your heart and up to your mind to replace what is going on in your head. Find a rhythm that is natural and comfortable for you. Step 3 is don't forget the practice when you are feeling stressed. If you can't think of anything, just breathe in a feeling of gratitude through your heart area. That alone will help to neutralize whatever's going on up here. Step 4. Practice maintaining your new attitudes as you move through your day. It's that simple. Let's do it together. Place your left and your right hand over the center of your sternum and simply breathe, bringing it in. And as you breathe in, what word were you thinking of replacing what's going on here? For me, gratitude is a beautiful one. And allow the breath to fall. Breathe in, feeling your heart expand. And exhale, let it go. This time, we're going to raise it up to our head, receiving your breath, inhaling. And use your hands as a reminder that you are bringing gratitude up to your head. And allow the gratitude to flow all the way down your body. You can use your favorite word if you wish. Inhaling with ease. Fill your word, calm, love, patience, gratitude. Just fill your chest with it. And now bring it up, up, up. Feel your kind word filling the area of your head. Raise your hands above your head and allow this beautiful feeling to fill all of your extended body. One more time with me. Inhaling. Feel your heart expanding with your beautiful word. Kindness, love, gratitude. Bring this up to your head. Feel the word filling your head space. Open up above your head and feel the power of this magical, beautiful word filling all of your being.